Stop using YouTube just to watch movie clips. Stop it. I know it's fun. I do it too. I think I just did it right before I recorded this video. But do you know that YouTube is also useful for learning skills? And if you already knew this, why haven't you started learning some skills this year? Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami, and today I am going to be giving you 5 YouTube channels that you can use to learn copywriting. I mentioned this in my previous video because my reason for giving this is I'm not really much of an expert when it comes to copywriting. So I'm here to give you 5 experts that I have followed for a while and I just discovered newly when I went on this YouTube rabbit hole of copywriting experts. Now, I am a YouTube advocate. What do I mean by that? This whole content marketing thing that I started as me as a web content writer, and that is from learning skills from YouTube. Like I had to learn on the job when I got that role. So my only option was YouTube. So before I started paying for Udemy courses and whatnot, I still go back to YouTube for certain things. So if I can do it, and I've got like 3 years experience in this game, or is it 4? I can't remember anymore. You can do it too. So these are some of the channels that would help you guys become copywriting pros. Number 1, Dan Lok. I started following Dan Lok in 2021. Actually, he was the one that helped me out with my writing skills, basically. He's a marketing expert and he has this great sales mind, at least that's what I like to call it, because he has taught some lessons on copywriting on his channel, so you could just do well to go to his channel. I'll drop the link in my description just in case you're not getting it, for it, make it easier for you guys. Number 2, Cattoni. Cattoni is also someone that I have been following for a while now. She's also a marketing expert and she gives great tips. And not only that, she makes it kind of fun if you're on her channel. She also gives out little tips that can help you out. So if you can follow her on LinkedIn, you can subscribe to her channel. But if video is your thing, just subscribe to her channel. Number 3, Alicia Joseph. I don't know if that is Alicia or Alicia, but sorry. Let's say Alicia Joseph, right? Her channel is kind of fun. I just discovered it like a month ago or so, and she kind of makes things interesting. It's not boring. I don't like boring videos, which is why I try to make mine as interactive as possible with the little I can. But yeah, you can check out her YouTube channel. She helps with online marketing tips, majorly focuses on copywriting, so you could check her out. Number 4, Erhart. I'm sure that I'm pronouncing that wrongly. Erhart. Sorry, Adam. But he's a marketing strategist, an entrepreneur, and a content creator. And he has like some videos on copywriting, which I really enjoyed watching, by the way. So you could just check it out. And the last one, Brian Dean. Now, Brian was the person that taught me how to write my first website copy. When I was given the task of writing a copy for a landing page, I had nowhere to go. Brian Dean helped me with that. So he has some videos on copywriting. He's a sales expert, a brilliant one at that. And he has a course on copywriting. He gives examples, he gives tips. It's a whole package with Brian. So these are 5 copywriting YouTube channels that can help you become better copywriters. And of course, to transcend the copywriting role and become, just move forward. At least that's the goal anyway. Also, this is like a pro tip. This isn't supposed to be here, but it just came up to me last minute. Check YouTube channel and you're looking for a more fun way to learn about copywriting. I don't know if you're into movies, you guys watching this video, but there's a Korean drama called Agency. Now, I watched this drama in 2023. I think it has like 20 episodes. So if you're not into series, you might have a problem. But I've missed the drama, the relationship issues, the whatever. The key thing I got from that drama were the sales strategies, the marketing strategies, basically the copywriting room where they were discussing ideas. So if you want to also check that out, you can. I just decided to throw that in there if you also learn from movies and dramas just like me. So I hope this video has been interesting, educative as my previous one, and even going to be better next time. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.